Welcome to Rohit 3D Asset.
I've seen relics of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to go to worlds unexplored, to leave behind my home and wander.
If you like to watch modeling videos like this, then you can like and subscribe to help me to motivate to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in next video.